Hakachapatrik unibunai uwi uwatna plim na Assam, uwatip kamu Bhaskar Kiran Bora, the one utajwai, orin video wai chondur, tangwa hakani kanti the one utajwai, open let yaga kot kabara tho wai kiten asmis, yagwa da bertoj, ka jaintia pahar na mori lom jaintia. Yagani ga kot dapan let daw deloy ga ilaka jwai uparamon kanjin, hayung kre kam yang o, haka yalang watbian. Neliang deloy de kitbok yo ukiran wada ye wo tho yagan ga kot, open mentoy yaga bruna Assam, Gosnya wai wop tip ki Japan gipnar na rilom jaintia. Ukiran na kana wa arpaus nem na chwa de bon ngos ki ya bedin klam. Wa de yabbe yu rukom im gejep grupnar. Wa ini de pembor iyo wa ngam yilu wa snyau tho ye rukom im yongki. Wa kaniam ga rukom. Cho de pentip wa han la kani ga kot de tho ekten asmis. Tang wa ang not ule wa pen kalai ka chekten pareng. U Bhaskar to wa kit wa rin video. Wai wa chondur wai man wa chna plim wa de pon wan dor ya go bon gi plim. Kam tam ga plim penar wa bertoj Manisa. Yau Bhaskar jo yogi pet ba chirup baga kurim mu hai por bet inklam por cha sukra wai de onyu le hakalan ngari lom jaintia haki arpaus ne modelai wai de tho yek ni ga kon de pin bor ga kurim u ka priyam bora hakani ga kot de tho chapang ga porom ga hima jaintia kirukom im kirukom bam kiriam ki bat chapang ga niam tre wa kiwi
Actually, when I first came, I was totally ignorant about Jaintia Hills and Jaintia Kingdom. First I saw Vediklam. I was attracted by the festival. Then after some years, I discovered beautiful things, many beautiful things like culture and civilization. And with the help of actually Bajab, Japtipayar, he helped me to move everywhere. I went to Natyang, I went to Sindai. I saw many good things, especially the old culture, stone culture of the Jaintia kingdom, that attracted me. And many things like culture and about the community hall, about the system, social system, everything attracted me. But actually my wife, she forced me to write this book. Actually, basically, I'm not a writer. I'm a filmmaker. I am interested in filmmaking. I like to make documentaries, feature films. I've directed many documentaries, 2-3 feature films, and first Jaintia picture Manisa also I directed. But this is the first time, and now I am determined to write another 2-3 books about Jaintia people, Panar people, about Vedic club. And I have some programs in future. Hope people will help me, Doloy and Paul Lamare and Sejiki Pasa. With the help of them, I will write more books about Jaintia people. Thank you.
So, sir, can you tell us how long did it take for you to work on this book?
Actually, last 20 years. That's after 20 years experience, when I explored whole Jaintia Hills, I moved all over every places, historical places, villages. After that, I decided to write. Still, I have to learn, I have to explore many things, and I will translate it to English, the revised version. I will add more things. I left some subjects, especially sacred groups and some cultures. So I will add the things in my English book. The book will be the Jaintias. I will go in detail with some more photographs. So